friends, thank you so much for joining. At Jiva, we believe that staying healthy is a daily practice that soon becomes a habit. Today, I'd like to share with you my favorite green smoothie recipe and give you 5 reasons why you should create a new green smoothie habit. And I'll also include my super easy, super convenient green smoothie prep tip. So stay tuned. While many people have been promoting green smoothies for weight loss, as an advocate of holistic health and wellness, I like to focus on the mind and body benefits of green smoothies. Green smoothies are so easy to make, they're delicious, and an easy way to increase your energy, regulate your appetite, and improve your fiber content because it's filling and good for your digestion. One thing you might not know about green smoothies is that it's really good for your brain. Green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach are rich in brain healthy nutrients like vitamin K and beta carotene. Research suggests that these plant-based foods may help slow cognitive decline. Do you need any more reasons to swap one meal for a green smoothie today? For my favorite green smoothie recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. I like to use 2 cups frozen organic spinach, 1 cup frozen organic pineapples. I'm presently obsessing over these tiny bananas. You can use 1 large banana, or I use 4 of these yummy smaller finger bananas. One thing that I'm really enjoying in my smoothies right now is pomegranates. Not only are they in season, but when you blend them up in your smoothie, it adds extra like roughage, obviously, because of the fiber content, but it also adds a nice texture to the smoothie. I like to add in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, freshly ground, and then 2 cups of coconut water. I put all of the ingredients into my blender and blend away. It takes less than 5 minutes and I've got my green smoothie to go for the day. So friends, here's my super easy smoothie prep tip that I do once a week at the beginning of the week. That makes it really easy for me Monday to Friday to continue my green smoothie habit. So I take my spinach and I portion it out into freezer bags, and then I can add my pineapples, I can add my bananas, pomegranates. I can even add my flax seeds. And then Ziploc this up, so when I'm ready, I just throw it into my blender, add the coconut water, or alternative milk of my choice, and we're good to go.